The young plant can be in a pot of diameter 10 inch for the first 2 years. While repotting, do not cut the taproot if it does not fit in the pot, but fold it and plant in the pot. Important point to keep in mind is that whatever pot size you use, it should have many holes to drain excess water. Standing water will kill the plant. Soil for neem plant. Neem can grow in any type of soil, but it grows best in free draining, nutrition rich soil. Mix river sand and cow manure in a good quality potting mix. The river sand makes the soil free draining and the cow manure adds required nutrition to the soil. Where to plant neem tree? Neem trees require plenty of bright sunlight. It can tolerate temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius. Young neem plants cannot tolerate intense afternoon sun, intense shade and frost or excessive cold and high winds. Move the pot indoors in a bright spot. Neem tree growth rate. The growth depends on available light. The growth rate will be highest in summers due to long days receiving more light. It will grow as big as the size of pot allows. But in winters, its growth will reduce due to low temperatures and short days, so less light, unless you provide artificial light. Provide as much natural light as possible during the day and several hours of artificial light at night. Neem grows slowly during the first year of planting. Pruning the neem tree. Pruning makes the tree bushy. The tree will grow very tall if you do not prune and becomes unstable. Prune a young plant in spring at about 1 foot height. See growth of multiple branches after pruning. You can prune the tips of branches as and when they keep growing to make your plant bushier. No fertilizer is needed if you mixed cow manure or compost in the soil while planting. Then each year apply again on top of the soil in spring and summer and rake in. Fertilize young plants weekly with fish emulsion for foliage growth and bone meal once a month for stronger roots. If you wish to feed a chemical fertilizer, feed any citrus fruits fertilizer to get more leaves and fruits. Sprinkle the fertilizer near the rim of the pot, away from the trunk, then water. Excessive fertilizer may burn the leaves or even kill the young plant. I prefer to feed a liquid fertilizer every third week during the growing season. It will not damage the young plant and good for mature trees also. Care of potted neem tree in winter. The neem tree may shed leaves in winter, but they will grow again in spring. The plant may die in temperatures below 5 degrees Celsius if proper care is not taken. Place the plant under a tree to protect it from frost. Mulch the plant and water in evening. Damp soil holds heat more effectively. Cover the plant with a blanket or towels. Place the pot under a tent and cover the tent completely. Move the pot indoors at a bright location. Flowers and fruits on neem tree. Neem trees flower and bear fruits in 3 to 5 years of planting.